Elon Musk's recent visit to China marks a pivotal moment for Tesla as the company navigates the complexities of the world's largest auto market. Musk's trip to China after delaying his trip to India has yielded significant developments, including key regulatory clearances, partnerships, and reaffirmations of Tesla's commitment to compliance with local standards. From addressing data security concerns to laying the groundwork for the introduction of full self-driving, which is also called FSD technology. In this video, we delve into the highlights of Musk's visit to China, exploring the key milestones and implications for Tesla's future. Musk's visit to China came shortly after he cancelled a scheduled trip to India to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi, citing substantial Tesla commitments. This underscores the importance of the Chinese market for Tesla and Musk's strategic priorities. Elon Musk's surprise visit to China yielded significant results as Tesla secured key regulatory clearance for its driver assistant software, a crucial move to boost sales and regain trust in the Chinese market. Tesla's vehicles manufactured in China passed stringent data security and privacy requirements, addressing concerns about data collection and storage. This clearance is a major win for Musk, considering previous bans faced by Tesla vehicles in certain areas due to data security apprehensions. Reports suggest that Tesla struck a deal with Chinese tech giant Baidu. To access its mapping license for gathering data on public roads in China. This partnership is seen as a milestone for the potential introduction of full self-driving technology in the country. Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y vehicles were subjected to testing and deemed compliant with China's data security standards by a prominent Chinese automotive association. This reaffirms Tesla's commitment to adhering to local regulations and standards. Musk made a low-key arrival in mainland China and held discussions with Premier Li Qiang. Following the meeting, the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers released a statement affirming Tesla's compliance with data security standards. With the regulatory clearance and partnership with Baidu, Tesla is poised to introduce its full self-driving technology in China, a move that could reshape the automotive landscape in the country and bolster Tesla's position in the market. While Musk's visit and the subsequent development signal optimism for Tesla's prospects in China, the company still faces challenges such as increasing competition from domestic EV makers and addressing concerns about autonomy and safety, particularly in light of regulatory scrutiny in the US. Despite the challenges, Musk and Tesla remain committed to expanding their presence in China and leveraging the vast opportunities offered by the world's largest auto market. The regulatory clearance and partnership forged during Musk's visit paved the way for Tesla's continued growth and innovation in China. In conclusion, Elon Musk's visit to China marks a milestone for Tesla's operation in the country. As Tesla prepares to introduce its full self-driving technology in China, viewers are left to ponder. How will these developments shape the future of Tesla? And what do you think about Elon Musk's decision to delay India's visit and visiting China? Tell us in the comments below.